Hello everybody and welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash. You can follow me on Twitter at MangaCo with a zero at the end. Through this link in my bio, it will take you to my YouTube channel where I post content every single day. Today's discussion is going to be surrounding Bitcoin, as always, right? Usually in these videos, what I do is I provide you the scalp plan that I'm kind of going through. So this one is going to be a little different, mainly because the drop that we saw yesterday was a failure in the buyer's part to push the price above these two moving averages that you see here. The blue one is the 200 4-hour moving average, and the purple one, or the pink, whatever you want to call this, I am not good with colors, is the 100 4-hour moving average. Now the price kind of did move above it, but there was lack of sustenance which led to a reversal of this trend that you see here, and as a result it created lower highs. And after the announcement of CPI, the price kind of gave up and dropped quite a bit, and it kind of feels like a trend going on here where the price has been producing lower lows, which can be connected using this trend line. And now the price is kind of stabilizing around this trend line. So what I'm expecting going forward is pretty simple. I don't see a lot of uh, volatility coming in right away because it's the weekend. And the second thing is that I feel like there's going to be a consolidation, kind of like what happened here between 27th and 29th May, and here between June 3rd and June 5th. I feel like we're going to have to wait until Monday, at least for the Monday's range to develop. Right, so since we've already swept the Monday's low, I'm going to remove that and change this to previous Monday's high. That's it, right? So we're gonna wait until the Monday's range is developed. Hopefully, if I get any setups by then, I'm gonna post it. But if not, I think we're gonna have to be patient at least until Tuesday to get any perfect setups. So that said, Bitcoin is pretty much the same, right, guys? For those that haven't really watched what's happening here in this range, let me just give you a quick recap. Bitcoin price formed this range extending from 28.5K to 31.5K, extending. This was formed between May 14th and May 16th. Since then, the price has swept the range low, swept the range high, and I kind of after the range high sweep, I expected the price to stabilize around the 50 retracement level and make a run at the CME cap, which is 35.1K and 34.4K. Clearly, that hasn't happened. The price has had trouble moving higher, mainly because of what's happening with this. Okay, hold up. It's not here. Let me just add it. So this is the 30 daily moving average on 30 daily moving average basically, but I'm on the 4-hour chart. So yeah, as you can see here, the daily moving average has been a pivotal resistance level preventing Bitcoin from moving higher. Also, you can also see the 200. Yep, on the 4-hour chart. The 200 also was a pretty important resistance level on the 31st of May. So clearly, all of these moving averages together has kind of prevented the price from going higher, which is kind of what led this consolidation and this drop. Right. So either way, I think being patient is what you can what you can like do with Bitcoin. I don't see any setups developing anytime soon. So as a result, right, I am gonna discuss Ethereum and why I'm kind of looking to take this long position here, a scalp long. All right, so before I actually get into the scalp long, I just want to talk about Ethereum, right? And if you have watched any of my videos that I've done on FX Street, you would know that I've been kind of looking at the 1730 support level for a very long time. I don't remember how long, but ever since we kind of had this crash, and then we started. I think it was somewhere here in the Jan of 2021. I kind of expected 2022. Expected Bitcoin, Ethereum price to move lower than 1730 and collect the liquidity resting below this triple tap setup that we see here, right? So that said, the May 12th crash was also really a big disappointment because the price did not dig lower to collect liquidity, right? Since then, I've been expecting Ethereum price to do that again, and yesterday's crash was uh, was a really good thing because the price is now sufficiently moved lower than the 1730 support level, and it has collected liquidity, right? So now let's move on to a 15-minute time frame, and what I'm expecting here is we're seeing a variation for triple tap setup. If you haven't watched or if you do not know what a triple tap setup is, please make sure to go to my YouTube channel and click this triple tap setup educational content that I've done. I explain what a triple tap setup is, how to spot it, different steps, the variations involved, how to trade it, literally the whole shebang. So please make sure to go and watch it. I'm gonna add it, like, if it's gonna be present on the right top corner. So there are two possible ways this scalp outlook could play out. The first one is it bounces off of this 15-minute demand zone extending from 1656 to 1667 and makes a run up to this level here, which is 1720, right? And that's the first one. The second one is the price proceeds to go lower, retest the formed low here at 1657, and then makes a run up to 1720, 1620. My bad, it's 1720. Either way, right? I'm expecting a scalp long here, and I'm going to be taking this. So that is pretty much it for Ethereum, guys. There's a really good FEG up here, and that's what I'm going to be looking to book profits at. There's another FEG up here, but let me just mark these. Right, so these are your good take profit levels, but I am not going to be keeping the position open up to this level here. I'm going to be booking profits around 1720. So that pretty much concludes my analysis for today. If you enjoyed this weekend analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any doubts or questions, please make sure to go to my Twitter. Just comment on any of my posts. I'll get back to you. Have a great weekend. Peace.